Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 secured business credit cards that you can get that'll help you build business credit real fast. So if you've been turned down for an unsecured business credit card and you're looking to build business credit, this is the video for you. When it comes to determining why you need a secured business credit card, it all boils down to your credit score. That's one of the main reasons that you can get turned down for some of the major business credit cards in the marketplace. So I encourage you, if you don't know where you're at currently with your credit score, go to knowmycredit.org. That way you know what all 3 of your FICO scores are, what your credit report looks at, what type of challenges you can do to fix up your credit report. Now, if you're in the below 670 range, most likely with unsecured business credit cards, they'd like you to be in the 680 or higher range. We've done a video the other week on getting business credit cards unsecured for your startup, so check that video right here. But with knowmycredit.org, that's going to take you to Score IQ, and that way you can view all 3 reports and FICO scores. Yes, you can get a free report from annualcreditreport.com, but it doesn't share with you your FICO scores. They do have a really small subscription if you want to continue to monitor your credit reports. They charge, I believe it's $29 a month. It's a great service. That way you're always on top of your credit. So that's one of the main reasons why you can opt for secured business credit cards if you're working on rebuilding your personal credit. So number 1 is make sure you know where you are first before you apply for an unsecured card. If you're already declined, then this is another opportunity for you to get a business credit card for your business. Why would you get a secured business credit card? Is because you may have less than perfect credit. Number 2, this is going to allow you to get access to business credit while you're maybe working on rebuilding your personal credit. So you could do both at the same time, because your personal credit is going to play a big role in certain types of funding products for your business, but ultimately it's going to help you in your personal life when it comes to maybe getting a mortgage for your home or a personal loan or it may be an auto loan, etc. So it's important for you to also work on your personal credit if you have challenged personal credit. The other thing is this is going to help you build business credit when you get a secured business credit card. Now, why is it so important to get a business credit card secured if you can't get an unsecured one? Is because right now, if you're just using a checking account and you have a debit card and you're paying for your business expenses with a business debit card, that activity, those transactions are not helping you build up your company's credit report. So that's why last week I talked about the importance of having a business credit card when it comes to building up your business credit. So a secured business credit card allows you to start using that card for day-to-day expenses, and it'll help you build up your company's credit file. That's why that's so important. So you definitely don't want to use your debit card or your personal credit card for your business expenses. Opt for maybe a secured business credit card. Now, also, ultimately, this allows you to earn rewards and graduate to an unsecured business credit card eventually. So if you have bad personal credit, your challenge credit, then get a secured business credit card, start establishing a relationship with the bank, and then this will eventually graduate you to an unsecured business credit card. So look at this as like a stepping stone. So just like you're trying to rebuild your personal credit, you may opt for a secured personal credit card. Same thing with the business. You can implement that same strategy, get a secured business credit card, and eventually build up to an unsecured version. Let's talk about real quick some tips to avoid when you're applying even for a secured business credit card. You want to make sure that your address on your EIN letter or your CP575 matches. If it doesn't, that can trigger you to even get declined for a secured business credit card. Now, let me just let you know, with a secured business credit card, you're putting a deposit down, and they issue you a credit limit that's equal to your deposit. Okay, so you're securing your credit limit. That way the bank, that's why you're more than likely to get approved, because the bank has now a collateral. They have security deposits, so if you default, they have the funds already there to recoup on any loss if your company fails to pay on its debt obligation. You want to make sure that if your name changed, if you got married, you change your name, you want to make sure you update that on your EIN document and your company records. You may be in a restricted industry. Some banks are a little finicky that they don't like certain industries and will not even issue a secured business credit card. So if you're in a specific restricted industry, just take note of that when it comes to applying. What do you need to apply for a secured business credit card? So what you need is you want to make sure, obviously, you have your company name, your employer identification number. This is your CP 575. Now, what I talk about if you have a mismatched address on here, you're going to want to call this number right here. And if you don't have your EIN letter, if you've misplaced it, you could call this specialty line right here. It'll take you a little while to wait on the phone, and you can talk to them and say, I'd like to verify what my address is for my company. If they provide you the right address, say, can you send me a replacement one or fax it to me? They'll most likely want to mail it, but you can request a fax and let them know let's say you're applying for funding and you need the actual document, and they can fax it right over to you. If your address is incorrect, then you can provide them your updated address, and then they can fax to you your updated EIN letter. So you want to make sure you have this document. It's very important. They're going to ask for your phone number on the application, your company email address, your company physical mailing address, and your physical address for your company. Okay, so that's important that you have those two addresses. They obviously can be both the same. Your industry type that you're involved in, your bank name, your contact details, and of course, you as the owner, the owner's application information. Let's talk about number one. This is the Bank of America. They have the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard Secured Credit Card. That's a mouthful. There is a credit check, though. They're still going to check your credit. They are going to require a personal guarantee, even though you're putting a deposit down. Their minimum security deposit is $1,000. Now, what credit score do you need if they check your credit? You want to have at least over a 500 credit score. Your security deposit is going to equal your actual credit limit. So if you put $1,000 down, you put $5,000 down, that's going to be your credit limit. And you're going to use it just like a regular credit card. So you're going to pay your expenses. You can carry a balance on this. You can pay it off in full every month. So that's how your credit card is going to work. What's really unique about Bank of America is they offer you cash back on your secured business credit card, 1.5%. Now they have a high APR, 28.49% variable APR. So if you're going to get a secured business credit card, my recommendation to you is use it for your day-to-day expenses and pay it off in full every single month. That way you don't have to worry about interest. This is just a great tool for you to build a relationship with Bank of America. You can eventually graduate to unsecured card, and this will build business credit for you. But obviously with that type of interest rate, I wouldn't carry debt on that card. Plus you get cash back on your expenses as well, which a debit card does not provide to you from your bank. There's no annual fee, so there's no cost to have this. And your security deposit does not earn interest. So that's one thing. If you're not happy with that, you want your money to make interest. There is a couple of business credit cards we're going to mention here that do earn interest on your deposit. When you go to the Bank of America website, right here, you're going to click on small business up here, different options, and you're going to click on credit cards, and then you can get right here, build or strengthen business credit. And then that's where their application is right here for the secured business credit card. So that is the Bank of America website and where to apply. And this does report to Equifax Business. So this will help you build business credit with that particular bureau. Let's talk about number two is Community Bank Business Edition Secured MasterCard. This is issued by FNBO. And this is a credit check as well with Experian. They do require a personal guarantee on this card. You can request your own credit limit, and there's a deposit between $2,000 and $10,000 on this. A little higher security deposit for this secured business credit card, but you earn interest on this deposit. So if that's something, you're putting money down, you're getting a $2,000 deposit, you're making money on your deposit, and you have now a $2,000 credit limit card, this is another option for you. Interest rate on this is a little lower, 23.99. There's no annual fee, and this reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So for this particular card, you're going to go to cmbna.com. This is the community bank website. You click on here where it says Business Credit Cards, and this will take you to their credit card section. You'll see right here, this is where it's Business Edition Secured MasterCard, and click here to apply. The next one is Valley Secured Business Credit Card. This has a credit check as well and a personal guarantee. Their credit limits here are between $1,000 to $25,000 credit limits. What's unique with Valley Bank, they're giving you a little bit more credit limit based on your deposit. You get 1% unlimited cash back, 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 6 billing cycles. And their interest rates are going to vary between 16.20 to 27.75%. There's no annual fee for this card. and your security deposit does not earn interest. This reports to Experian Business, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. So you got a couple business credit bureaus this is reporting to. So with Valley Bank, very simple. You're just going to click on highlight the business here, right here, and you click on business credit cards. And this, you'll see right here, this is a new secured business credit card for your company, and you can just apply right now here on Valley Bank. Let's talk about number 4 is FNBO, First National Bank of Omaha. This is their Business Edition Secured MasterCard credit card. Now, just so you know, we talked about that first one, Community card for secured. That's also issued by First National Bank of Omaha, but it's a little different because that first card we talked about, the second card, has no annual fee, and this card has an annual fee. So a little bit different variations in the cards, but they're issued by the same bank. With this card, it's a credit check with Experian and personal guarantee report required. Credit limits are $2,000 to $100,000, multiples of 50, 25.99 variable APR. There's a $39 annual fee for this particular secured business credit card. It reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So if you go to FNBO, you just click on business, and that'll take you to their cards here. This is one of their unsecured cards, and here's their secured one right here. You just learn more to click to apply here for that particular card. The fifth and final secured business credit I'd like to talk to you about is Hello Alice Business Secured MasterCard. This is a soft inquiry for this particular pre-qual, but when you actually apply for their secured, they're going to do a hard pull on you. There is a credit check, obviously, and personal guarantee, but this is the lowest of all the cards as far as security deposit. They have a $500 security deposit. You can earn points on your card, a $50 statement credit when you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 billing cycles, and they have a 0% intro APR in the first 6 billing cycles. This is one of the lower interest rates on the secured cards. No annual fee. And they report, though, to personal and business credit reports. So if you want to keep your business credit card completely off your personal credit, then you kind of don't want to get this particular card. But if you have bad personal credit, and that's why you're getting a secured business credit card, this is a card that'll help you build your personal and your business credit. Okay, so this is a great credit building tool for both personal and business because it reports to personal and business. So they also provide you a seamless transition to an unsecured card, possibly in 11 months. That's a great card for those of you who are looking to get a trade line also reporting your personal credit. You go to their website here, and what you're going to do is scroll towards the bottom of the page, and you're going to click on where it says Secured Credit Card. And then I'll show you right here how to apply for the secured MasterCard. And what I want to talk about now is for those of you who don't want to put a security deposit down for a secured card, but you have less than perfect credit, you won't qualify for an unsecured card, and let's say you have a little bit of revenues coming through your business, there is an option where you don't have to provide a security deposit at all. And that's on this particular card here. I talked about this before. It's the Fair Figure Capital Business Card. This particular credit card, what they do is you have to have at least $2,000 a month in revenue for your business, but they don't provide a credit check at all. They'll give you access to a monitoring tool, which helps, and there's no personal guarantee by having 3 months in business. That's number one. At least $2,000 a month in deposits. You got to have a 30 Fundex score, no credit check, no PG. So let me kind of walk you through here. When you go to Fair Figure, you're going to type in your email to create a free account with them. Once you create that free account, then you're going to connect your business bank account in their system. This is a free sign up, doesn't cost you anything, and you connect it via Plate. It's going to read your bank account data, and if you have a 30 Fundex score here in the dashboard, then you can apply for their business credit card. Their limits are anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Okay, so and this is what they do is they fund your business credit card. They actually deposit funds in there. You can use it for expenses. You pay it off. So this is a great option for you, for those of you who are looking for a secured business credit card and you don't want to put down a security deposit. The other option, just so you know, we have an unsecured option for those of you, let's say you've already rebuilt up your personal credit, or you've made some changes and you're looking for business credit card funding. Obviously, we offer an unsecured business credit card funding program. I'll just run through this real quick. 0% APR, we get you 3 to 4 cards for business credit. You have to have at least 680 or higher FICO scores on at least 2 of your credit bureaus. This will help you build business credit. There's a no-doc program, meaning we don't need financials, we don't need tax returns. There's no P&L statements. It's strictly based off of you co-signing for your business. The cards only report to the Business Credit Bureau, so this helps you build business credit. So check out businesscreditbuilders.org. That'll take you to our website. You just click on this Pre-Qualify Now tab. And remember, when you apply for this, we'll do a review to see what type of funding products are available to you. You're going to upload a copy of your credit report, and we get back to you in about 24 to 48 hours with funding projections. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe. That way you're always notified when we come out with a new video. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.